Good morning class 2. How are you students? I hope you all are doing your sums at home. Students, today we are going to do some new sums. The first is addition. Okay? We will do today addition of 1 digit, 2 digits and 3 digits. Now start with 1 digit number. All of you know how to count numbers either on fingers or by counting beads. I will simply do it orally. Okay? 7 plus 6, that is 13 plus 9. Okay, 13 plus 9. How is 13? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, 13 plus 9, that is 22. Your answer. Next, then 2 digit numbers, that is 43, 85 plus 91. Okay, this is called tens place and this is called ones place. Okay, always start with the ones place counting. So first is 3 plus 5, that is 8 plus 1, 9. And next in the tens place, 4 plus 8 plus 9. 9 plus 8, that is 17. 17 plus 4, that is 21. Okay, this is your answer. Next, move to 3 digit numbers. In the 3 digit numbers, this is called ones place, this is tens place and this is hundred place. Okay, in the same way as you have done in the previous question, always start with the ones place. Okay, so we will start counting from the ones club period term, that is 4, 2 and 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Right here 2. Okay, 1 carry here in the tens place. 7 plus 3, 10. Plus 7, 17. Plus carry 1, that is 18. In 18 we will write here 8 and 1 will go to carry in the hundred place. Okay, now start counting here. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 5, that is 12 plus 1, 13. This is your answer. In the same way you have to do all the sums in your worksheet. The next question is multiply. Okay, I have given you multiplication sums of 2 digits. Okay, so first start with the 4. You have to learn tables before you do these sums. So start counting with table 4. 4 3s are 12. 2, 1 carry here. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Okay, put the cross sign in the last digit down the 2. Now start with the next number. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. Don't start from here. You have to put this multiplication sign below the last number and then start writing from here. Then add the numbers. This is 2, 7 and 6, 13, 3, 1 carry, 8 plus 1, 9, plus 1, 10. So this is your answer. Okay, in the same way, there is another sum of 3 digits, that is 345 multiplied by 73. As you have done here, you have to do in the same way. Learn the table of 3. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry here. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. 3 here and 1 carry. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, put this multiplication sign here. And now here's the table of 7. Okay, remember the table of 7. rub these numbers. Okay, now start with 7. 7 5s are 35. Write here 5. 3 carry here. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3, 31. 1 here. 3 carry here. 3 7s are 21 plus 3, 24. Add the numbers. 5 plus 3, 8. 1 plus 0, 1. 4 plus 1, 5. And 2 comes down. This is your answer. Students, always remember that before doing any multiplication sum, you have to memorize all the number tables from 1 to 9. Okay, if you don't memorize the table, you can't do any multiplication sums or division sums given in your book. So learn the tables at home carefully and then do these sums and practice in your notebook. Okay, next question we are going to do is divide, or what you can say, division. Today we are going to do simple division using tables. Okay, first is 35 divided by 7. Okay, 35 is in the middle and 7 is out the box. So in this type of division, you have to remember the tables. Here you have to memorize the table of 7. So guess the table now. Tell. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35. So where does 35 comes in 7 tables? 7 5s are 35. Okay, give out cross here. Why do we cross give here? Because 35 minus 35, there comes 0. Okay, you can either write 0 or either you can give a cross number. In the same way, simple division, 54 divided by 9. Okay, so in this you have to memorize the table of 9. Okay, so all of you know the table of 9, that 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54. So 9 6s are 54. So again 54 minus 54, that is 0. Okay? In this way, you have to do all the questions given in your book and your worksheet, and always practice the questions at your home properly. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye.